Today we are here with
David Hoffman from Hoffman Nursery out of Rougemont, North Carolina. We're an ornamental and native grass, sedge, and now perennial grower, shipping nationwide. My folks, John and Jill Hoffman, started the business back in 1986. And we've been growing ever since. This facility started as a tobacco farm. So actually we've got several of the old tobacco buildings around here where the greenhouses, some of them sit. That was actually farm fields in the beginning that we transitioned over to covered production. And then some of the other fields were mother stock plantings at the time. And again, that's transitioned over time to be what it is today. One of the things that is interesting about what we do is that the grasses have never been the showiest plants in the garden. And so to sell, it took a lot of education from the time that my folks started the business and have grown it to what it is today. So looking at really just how do we educate folks, talking to them about what is important and how to make these plants successful, what these plants do, what this function over beauty in some cases. Not that you can't have one without the other, but really trying to solve problems with these plants is definitely a goal that we're trying to teach people about as we continue to sell them. A lot of the grasses and sedges that we grow, whether they're warm season grasses, which means that they're going to be fall flowering, or if they're cool seasons, that means they're going to be spring flowering. A lot of the perennials that we're growing typically tend to bloom in the first part of the year, but you tend to have good bloom times throughout the year. So again, it depends on what plants you want to put in there, but yeah, I mean, trying to have something that is interesting throughout the entire year.